What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos education channel. My name is T. Haas from over at the Crypto Shop. And of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This is getting good, ladies and gentlemen. The drama in crypto never stops. And today, we're not going to stop it. We're going to watch a video, and then we got to react to the video and the situation of Mr. Kwon being arrested in Montenegro. So, Justin, please, sir, please play this damn video.
All right. So we got this Twitter video, exclusive footage, dun, 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 of Kwon and Han Chang-jun leaving Montenegrin court in handcuffs. So let's check it out. Look at this guy. He's being real serious right now.
Yeah, he did serious. Oh, he comes.
Dun, 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 dun. In handcuffs.
Is it him? Is it him? Is it really
Get
him?
In there. Oh man, he didn't show his face. He had his head down the entire time.
That can't be him, man. It can't.
Oh wait,
be
there's another one. There's another one. Oh, you heard him? There's another one.
They got him in the paddy wagon.
Oh, there you go. Right. I think that's him right there in the Nike.
Not with the Nikes, the old Nike sweatshirt. Oh,
got him. Got him.
Policia. Lock him away. Take him away, coach.
Oh man. So yeah, man, that's Kwon getting served in Montenegro. Now, the funny thing is that this man been on the run for what, about 6 months now, maybe 7 months, ain't been caught, and somehow he decides to get caught in Montenegro. You know, there's some more circumstances that are going on here, but why did he ever leave? He was set up. He had sold Bitcoin. He was sitting on like $3-4 million worth of Bitcoin sold. I mean, he had his whole life. It seemed like it was set up. I think he also made money off Terra before it collapsed because he knew like this man was straight up set up for life. And then he just made one decision. Like I don't know if he just had to hit one last lick or what, but somehow, some way, this man ends up getting caught in Montenegro, and now he's disgraced. I mean, he was disgraced before, but man, I feel like it's worse when you got away and then you get caught, but you got to come back for more. I don't know. What you think, Hobbs?
Look, man, I think that number one, he should have never come back to any country that didn't have or that was able to extradite him, because remember, he was chilling over in some country and they had no Singapore, right? And they had no extradition jurisdiction there, so he should have just stayed there. But the crazy part is as you guys can see in the video, and I'm not sure if this is the real video, this could be a joke, we don't know, but in the story it says that he was actually in the airport, right? And then when they found him, one, he was looking dressed in other clothes, right? But when they found him, he had falsified documents in order to travel through the city, or through different countries. One thing that I can say about that is no matter if he's wrong or if he's right, it smells fishy, because if you were in the right and you knew you didn't have anything to hide, you would not be trying to travel, right, with falsified documents. He knew that he had a warrant out for him. He knew that he was being watched and wanted to get, taken in. He chose to run, and now he's going to have to pay the piper. It sucks because FTX went down, and he almost got away with it. Like, people probably weren't even thinking about him anymore. So maybe that's why he thought he could kind of fly underneath the radar. I don't know. But what I do know is you guys need to let us know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Make sure you come back over to the ClearCryptos educational channel so we can go over funny stories just like this one. That being said, my name is T. Haas from over at the Crypto Shop. That man above is Jay Seals. We'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.